stop scrolling. Most Flutter beginners struggle with models, JSON data, and clean UI. In this video, we'll fix all of that. Watch how we turn a blank Flutter screen into a full e-learning app faster than you think. Let's get started. We start by opening the modules folder and menus and then open courses view.dart. We click the courses menu here and we have the courses screen in the emulator. Then we start by converting stateless widget into a stateful widget. All right, now we create the header or app bar. Yeah, we want to create this part. So we wrap it with a widget and add scaffold replace with body, and then we add app bar here. Now we are going to create models and a load data method to get some data from the JSON dummy data. Let's start by adding categories list, new course list, and popular course list. They have their own list models. For category video course, we will start by creating models. There we add course models, and we have course, teacher, video course, and comment. We are still missing the user model, so we will edit it later. Okay, for video course widget here, we also have category list, lesson list, and comment list. So also in course, we have a teacher model. This is for teacher data with variables like name, avatar URL, graduate, bio, and email. And then for the comment model, we have text, user, and created at variable. For user model, we have ID, membership, profile, level, and created at variable. For the profile model, we have some personal data such as first name, last name, username, etc. And for level, we have variables, name, level, experience, progress, and goal. Okay, let's start to import it. We are going to create the load data method to load data from JSON dummy data. This is the load data method. So we have categories JSON here. Let's import it, and also video course JSON. As you can see, for the categories JSON, we have ID, name, slug, and image path. The image path value comes from the asset that was already imported before. Then we map the JSON into objects. We get the categories object in a variable, same as with courses, new courses, and popular courses. In new courses, we have some filters you can use with the where method, adding conditions here. After that, the last part is to clear the list and add all the data that we already declared before. So we add init state and call load data method. Next, go to the body of the scaffold widget. Then we wrap it with a new widget here. The app will refresh widget. Import the path. Wrap the widget and add single child scroll view widget here. Set some parameters like primary true physics, clamping scroll, physics, padding bottom and top, and then for the child, we wrap it with column. Now we start to create the categories list view as a global component. This part. Okay, we add categories list view, which is a private component widget. It has a categories parameter. We get categories from the variables. Okay, we create stateless widget here with a parameter list of category. Then we have a container for margin and a row. That row will have some items taken from the categories variable, and we map categories with the private widget menu button. So we create the private widget menu button, which has a title, image path, and onPressed or void callback. Then we add radius, column, inkwell. This is for gestures on events when we click the menu, import it and save it, already done. We have writing, grammar, pronounce, and exam menu buttons. And then we are going to create new course list view as a private component. This is for new courses that have the header. We also have a list view for several cards. Okay, we add the private component into the column children that has the new courses. We add here new courses list view with a stateless widget that has new courses as a parameter list of video course. It has padding with a column. The children have subheader, some spaces, and size box for spacing. And then list view with primary, false, horizontal padding. From the new courses, we map them with a new course card. Now we create the subheader global component. Go to component folder, common, and then we add subheader. Don't forget to import the paths of the component. We are still missing some styles. So we start to create a style extension. Go to cores, watch extensions folder, add text style extension for the path. Here we also create font style, text decoration, and color. We also create some constant variables initialized with text style, adjust font sizes here. Then you can use it like this. One size 19 with bold style. We also add inkwell here for the see all text button. Next, we start to create the course card component, put it into the card as a stateless widget. New course card, okay? In the course card, we have image URL, title, count plays, and onPressed variable. We add a gesture detector widget and also a stack widget. As you can see, we use stack because in front of the background image, we have some container with text for the title and text for how many plays. We also use abbreviated string to format numbers like 1000, 1K. For the title, we need to add a string extension. This is for overflow to force the text into full width. Already done. For the image background, we use cached network image widget. With error widget, we put sized box and clip our rect to make border radius. Also fade in image animation with placeholder, transparency image, boxfit.cover. As you can see, we also have gradients transparency container, so we use it to add transparency gradient. This is for text with a container and the title. And the last part is icon plus count plays text with abbreviated string. Next, we start to create popular course list view, a private component similar to the new courses with header. Okay, I already captured the popular course here. As you can see, this is a card. So we have the image, title, teacher image, teacher name, level, and how many lessons. So let's get started. First, remove this. Next, we add the popular course list view here. This is a private component widget. We add stateless widget with a parameter popular courses, list of video course, same as new course list view. Then we add padding, column, subheader, space, and list view with primary, false, shrink wrap, true to ensure it is wrapped properly on the screen. In list view children, we map popular courses with video course card global component widget. So we add the video course card components. Go to components, wash card, and add here. Add the path, import the model. As you can see, we have the item variable, video course model, and function on pressed. I think we can change it to void callback. We add radius for border and inkwell. Inside, we add ink widget similar to container, but with different decoration styles. We add decoration with shadow color, white color, border radius. Start to fix the error first. This is the user info, so we need one global component widget for user info. We add it in the common folder, go back to video course card component. I will explain more details later. So we have it here, let's save it. Now we can show the card component. As you can see, this is the card component. We have image using cached network image, with clip rect for border radius and fade in image animation. Then we have title and a row with user image using user info widget component. We also add flexible dot container widget level, and finally lesson text. We add a condition. If lessons length 1, show lessons, else show lesson. Okay guys, I think we are already done with the course screen. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next video.